In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix volume automatically goes down on Samsung. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now, volume issues are frequently caused by a confirmed system bug where accessibility settings hijack your physical buttons. So what you could do is the select to speak fix. What you want to do is swipe down on the top right, and it's going to show your control panel. Then go over and press your settings wheel cog icon. Go ahead and scroll down until you find accessibility. So once you go ahead and find accessibility, click on it, then tap select to speak. Once you find select to speak, toggle select to speak shortcut to off, and then test your volume buttons. And if they now move to the media slider, which is usually blue or purple, the conflict is now resolved. Now, what you also want to do is disable the absolute volume Bluetooth fix. So what you want to do is swipe down, go to your control panel, go to settings again, scroll all the way down until you find developer options, and then find disable absolute volume and toggle it on. Then unpair and repair your headphones, and you can now control the phone volume and headphone volume independently to get much higher volumes as well. And also just check to see if there's any debris in your physical speaker areas as well, and that should definitely help too. And of course, just make sure your volume slider is up as well, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also, be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through, and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.